Right. Assalamu alaikum. Namoy lalu. Jube lalu. Ani subscribe so min ka subscribe min channel otu. Ani channel o fanan. Namoy la ken don ana bara malu ala modu. Ngal be salam dalam chef Sefu Bojanti. Safa Gambia chef ba katango min bijang. Dere fanam chef o min ka Gambia sembelto ya tabora karola. Ani fanan ara do moro kan wol fanan ta ke sembelto ya ke mun nan ada sidol kan. Al nimbara ani fanan ngal welcome program yintel. Right. Tabi follow. It has never been my first choice coming bita kan karangola. Lafta kira no follow. Lafta kira no soldier world. O batala kabem me wakake kul ka falling mira nyal ka falling amol fanan ka falling nata mira do so ko min lafta kila fenko le Dr. Balt. So Dr. Ba yani wala nata mbula tamo la kata Angleterre kabem fura wodo hamo nyin kan ani nsafo wakilo min ka ke nado ku bunda nyin to min mo wato ka do ko hotel olto ka no receptionist olto min ko mon tele ka don tawo jiano min kana hotel o nyin to baguton ka min mo ke ndet ko di sodra program fang muna fa waran kan na karam mojo Angleterre je ko mo na nato wakere ka do ko dolta lun kinin ne na tabillaji ni ka pa chef min kan na data mol tabi lun tamodi wal na ta sasa kono minata mol ni ka jamal se mo ma ko no wanyo kono bay moti wanyo kono bi ko no problem mbe sacrifice ngata wine to call join ka bi wo keta nada tuje lokon kinin flata hani seklo franya pa ma ko seklo franya jamal fa bala do kay ka omelette don ka fry fa jang long wi kam da pato ba buto gino nada ko nyum ko karam wanyo ko non bije lokon kinin franja on fa nada sutero ko jamato. So I started preparing my own dishes wanyo nyum ko so nada taje karmumi dene nata nyininka abuko in bunda be kontane kana ni ko ne kan be happy ngani fanam ibu wakil kan an ko sahe ko ya do mo nyinen do la ko yo fay dawo dan ko don dara so bureo kana mba wala so budul pol na da ko nyama na ta nyinen ka di en nim mo la ke sponsor pour kata ko nyin karam ke ba kelal ban ba kelal ko so kabiyo fo nya was happy because ngom fay ko mbem fang sponsor kan karam bun bold minda ko liata although ko la takara doctor old amu mi moment la takara doctor dan ko do ngara doctor ba ka fini ko doctor babu atra na hamo mi so don puka fanna mi interest wala yelo mo hada wala yelo karola to ka keskisno ke jankar keso min ka jaato kono akadoy jaato kono nyaadi de ani sa kire nyaadi amman kuto mum fenati ani mun fana ala kele joramot so hematology so not all biomedics not all electronic at some point so kabini opportunity na ray panye ko pour even sponsor nata domo karam nyin karam ngani ndo tudie ngani ndo ta bari nyin ndo mo insaba firi e be njoka ngala be pare be nakano mo fana jokañ budon ko fay ko buto de be nyin nani titro ben so ndela commence mo ndawol ade yaaji be agriculture na fondement fond the world because niamwe tabilla be tabiro kel dole ka doku so nin do ma doku do ta tabil iyo min ka doku ne to dinda wala ko do jide de fa wala because at the end of the day hada madin dolko you are what you eat niamwe you are what you eat hada madin min domo ifanga kewold nyaji be mbe marsola mar jansala fandina je when it comes to gastronomy wala food and culture na ado anina domor nyalo bi don't do me la jatol for tante la jatol de kotek we are in foreign bodies because meaning nka domor min domo they are foreign. So if we go by we are who we are what we eat, that means nka domo kuto min domo sainten wayin kende mo ko tamol let man nga ñu ka fen kiren biten ni isa sa to sokon malera le bela wala sojo le bela ina body wala jaatu ake forcer pour que mo il faut man ko to min te ka do mo dom abuka feta pizza do waran afradum waran seafood do bu ko mo dara e hakilo kata mon tole itela min manja ko aba fale ko ta premontaw ko naat ñun dol dom an ni wodo make official ni mu jola de bi de ko na pemben jol ni mu man ko ca duram iglam man kata ibu ni tan kutol iglam man ko ta wol fanka so wo fami hay tandila ko lum la sile ibalo famba fale ko e kanyi min min be ke mum menti man ngi bon wato so ando wodo sire man kan agriculture so agriculture man ko min daba ding ka blal mos waran ka binde ka blal kare no fanna jamal je tu ko jamal le bije dol be mararing ben dingol la dol be mararing be mballe la dol be mararing wo be mo fon health la side dol be mararing do fon mu vegetable legume dol be mararing hana geofam min ko legume fon vegetable fon ko wol jibo minna dol la fana be mararing wala ko wala jioji ne fon la jioji mbetiara pour ni vegetable ma dol fana bi mi mararing banko fon la keso ala jambando na mankuto be nyaari da fo fen tabilo naka filo kuna kenne betia so agriculture bunda jamal le siya ba min kuma ta wala fondin kelo in kana bore jela mbota je tata je dole nyando dole je because binten ni ko banko la barol na barol wala na fondamental wala ndo fondin kelti woto min na min to mulu e jaato la kenya so to min to min so biiten woto ngam fanni min ka mankita munala wolon ngam fonyo waran na ado lebula mbe ado do takan wala no sain den ku jama farit woto wo sujutan to dala ngam na miram nyalu ta nyalu ke nyalu ni falim bang ngamurum back mamon la silol kan na jibe fonna al halol te falinna ni ko jaato la kenya la karol wotumo mano na molmo mano lollo in the olden days ina jiwe farño mburolo na molme lonnu o ken ka balonu min la kintollo nyolu anen findolu yo na boje nyambolu kada patatolu ni te mo do ko jamal bo do ko le wara min ko do ko mo sembento ya jamal bo sembento ya. So the best thing to do is to respect, honor, value, and give that thank you to those behind all these crops, vegetables, animals, and the soils that we grow our food from. Ala ngatunku do fonunko anga munu na adol kan anga munu mamolu e ke la kol ke nyame ni wote falinde jamal be sotola na balwol kono okay e ka doje min ka nyin jambandi dol use do ka nyin na nyin jambando mi yano kan ka fongol le tolinde bankol kono hani ala sala ila salatol ndol min be tabir bundal nanata nenyi ke frijo kono tili fla diala min don hani ma ke frijo kono 3 days o diala e ka lo wolto ko quality over quantity the world. Okay. Nka kondo kodo no kan. Banza kondo kodo no kan nyawnya ngamira kodo nyina barko fanan. Because ni rosta fenkan barko de soto laje. So ete kadla nyina dong eta soto. Because ete be nyundo force kan criteria mo eta wa. But saying ete fo min ko wa ite nata dominata sasa ko ne ko ndo min be so eta don docteur kunda so ni tan gastronomy woni alla ni do ko fo nyoma baba ke woni ko la fannade okay ko ning angale kam ko eat food as your medicine or you may end up eating medicine as your food wala minti domor kinno ni o domo woke ke bala jatula borol lati ban ni balanda ka domor kinno domo min se bala jatol na pake ke boroti jato kono woto bor kesol be kayla domorot because meaning etete balu no la domo bor kesol ko janni ka puta woto min soni ata wonon na kende mata ngo domo wala ben na fana na jatol kono dan na fendo ta nga domo min ben na jato min da nyaato ta tinyal. So the most important thing samin fale wala min ko atol lamar laami alin nan hakilo to na domor fengolto ni nyaara kese ni kese ngalon ko fengol mo na nyingaden kendol to wala na nafa warta dan yindol min ka domo fenko la tondo ke ta tarianti ajibe don sainte mi nyami e kam ta mo mo je san sisi na yo awuto sa janna ka fo kata e gino ay malonga akira pasun ke bad. So I think what is important here is we need to change our attitude towards everything if we want to grow, if we were going to live a better life. An absolute attitude change is required for us to go through this, be it whatever we get ourselves into in the Gambia. As youths, as citizens, as my countrymen and women, attitude change towards what we do is what we really need. Because if we open Ninkono, anin sondeme o min nyanta a mankuto lakula, anin sarto min nakatanyola, ni o manta te batata. Because at the end of the day, you don't come in for a be coolina, man cool. Don't let the jamano cool malo. By you cool ning, wala mbatan disram. Abe coolin, abe cooler. Abe cooler, but I cooled it out. Abe cooler. War is good because Nyajive, at that point, I'm not know to that day. But one day, that didn't know Binakila Alfad. So when we take it to the grassroots, we're preparing a greater generation. Because when that young kid is prepared towards this life of being great in agriculture or raising the awareness of the importance of agriculture and agricultural practices. The nearby nito coming in have men nito from the fikira alfalde for the panels say double candy the importance of ning komba kela la waramba do ko lam bitani wo silol bitani grassroots nela ngena dindu wala dindu mel ngi sembento ya ngi karande ngi londala anda family menti funi to fanan kala sin sama alfalde e finance dol karandala de libaja ko sai ndon pambul but I'm happy to the sense that people like you guys, you're coming out, bringing back, rekindling our old memories, taking us back to who we were. This is what we needed. But need more market, it won't work. But I'm glad that you guys are doing this because now there are many out there, many allocators, learn the importance of agriculture momentum. Yes, Allah channel might not be the most popular channel because meaning alka kendo min keje dongol buka keje anin param jama buka keje woto no gambe no min buka pare ka wodi sifal ke back ngoran ka won channel jibe ban mol bi gemi yana ko fanan ke lamay ñing advice kendo but maybe in the next episode ñing mel la ñam faro kelal isaje I'll say follow. That's beautiful because as a person, I tell you this, every day I'm vegetable meal nafta is something that is good for me and my customers, and I'll buy that. I do that every single day. Every day, I wake up early in the morning to go to the market to get the right vegetables for what I need it for. So if we say market, there is a great big market right now for organic food because people like me and I know I've got other colleagues in the game who really are looking for where to buy organic products. I can give you names of different restaurants, and even hotels. They have conceived the concept of organic food production. And myself, as long as you are able to provide me with the specifications of what I need, I'm ready to partner with you. Collaboration is what I do. I collaborate as a Gambian for us to become successful together. No, the problem, I think, Nimu quoting, we need to establish a market. When the market is available, the products are available, and we know where to get the products, then it becomes easier for us to tap into that product. But then, of course, the problem when it comes to the pharmaceutical side, consistency. Okay, I'll be like, okay, I want, let's say, green pepper or capsicum, bell peppers, whatever you call it. Okay, you supply me this variety today. I'm happy with it. This is what I want you to supply me for the next 5 years, or for the next 2 months, or next 3 months, or even the next 2 weeks. You did 1 or 2. The third one, you bring something from nowhere. And then that also, myself in person, I don't take that. If it is not agreed on with, you bring in something new before our conversation or discussion. And I know fully well that the product that you're trying to give me now, at that quality, is available in the country, and you blatantly bringing that to me to buy from you, I will not buy from you. Many people do know me about this. When I was the executive chef at Senegambia Beach Hotel, I will reject the whole truck, because I don't literally joke with my quality, my career, my brand, and myself. My integrity, I want to live up with it. So Hanata Manfensuno, but quality is what I live for. So the problem that we always cry all on consistency. Gambian on Delta in the cool love. Can't worry. Can't worry for me, it's not can't worry. It's either a better or I'm a better. I don't go for mediocre. You understand? Unless me at a month of the ferring, then I'm going to change that. To avoid using something that I'm just trying to manage with it. And this is why my gastronomic concept is intentional. Because I know, like, if you go into my menu today, there isn't anything you need to order from outside the country. Nothing. Everything is readily available in the country. And I sway or swerve through seasonal availability of products. Not like having to go, this is what I want, and I have to think about where to get it from. No, we are in the season of watermelon. My menu will be driven towards watermelon. We are the season of oranges. I'll drive my menu towards oranges or mangoes, depending on whatever season we are in. That's how I drive my menu towards. Of course, that comes with skills, talents, and experience. But nse fale wala ni ko min de to fendi la mo la lahi do ta moy ko bi ni dile la na make so wallahi do timman ni wonten min jikla tewnata any day e bu kan tol do so ko tank an mbike rek men do mo do ya ba ni akende ma dimna mbere ko men na mo tar ya o fana mbere ko men na no da mo tan ina mo ke mo so akete wala nya